Hi friends, it's Nirmal back again from Nandanam Exotics, and we are back with a new video. This is the first video of the year 2021, so I'm wishing you all a happy new year. So hope you enjoy the video. So today we'll be looking at snow creeper or horsetail creeper, or scientifically called Purana volubilis. It's such a rewarding flowering vine to have in your garden. So let's take a look at how we can grow this beautiful vine. Purana volubilis is a tropical flowering vine which belongs to the family Convolvulaceae. They are known worldwide by many other common names such as snow creeper, bridal's bouquet, Christmas vine, horsetail creeper, etc. All the above common names derive from the fact that they have very white flowers and also that they bloom during winter season. This vine flowers during the shortest day length time of the year, which is winter, in tropical areas. That will usually stretch from October to February. This vine is very tropical and cannot survive under harsh winter cold. So any temperature below 5 degrees Celsius can be fatal for the plant. So friends, as you can see, they produce this gorgeous white clusters of bloom that only last for a single day. That is one of the only disadvantage of this plant. The flowers are extremely fragrant like jasmine, and if you have sufficient amount of blooms in the garden, your entire vicinity will be perfumed. It's a very vigorously growing vine if the climate and conditions are correct. If you decide to grow them directly, planting them on the ground, it can totally climb structures and cover a vast amount of area and become a very huge vine within a very short period of time. My suggestion is to grow them in a container on a trellis so that you can contain the plant to a desirable size. By regularly keeping a pruning schedule, you can maintain the plant in a very bushy form, thereby increasing the number of new growth points on the plant. By the time winter comes by, the number of growth points that you have on the vine will decide how many flowers it will produce. Friends, just pay attention to how the flowers disperse their male pollen grains. I just gave the inflorescence a small shake and all that white powder just gets dislodged from the flowers. Now friends, let's discuss some cultural requirements for this vine. First of all, we'll talk about light requirements. They need full sun exposure. They are a very vigorously growing plant. All through the year they keep on vining and producing much more biomass. But at the end of the year, when winter comes by, they flower all together. So they need a lot of sunlight. Plant them in the most brightest spot in your garden. If you are growing your vine in a container, watering is our next major concern. Overwatering this vine can lead to premature drop or yellowing of leaves. So control your watering only when the medium gets medium dry. Propagating this vine is very easy. Either you can take stem cuttings that are mature enough, or you can do air layering as per your convenience. Friends, as always, I'm reminding you guys, if you enjoy my videos, do subscribe as well as press the bell notification button for updates whenever I post new videos. Otherwise, you might not even know that I upload new videos. So don't forget that. Next major factor is fertilizing. You can fertilize the plant all through the year with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, which would promote all the lush growth. And later on, when winter approaches, you can switch to a potassium and phosphorus-rich chemical fertilizer to induce more blooms. Generally, this vine is not very demanding when it comes to fertilizers, so once in 4 to 6 months will do the trick. So friends, today's video is about this beautiful flowering vine called Parana volubilis. I hope you guys found it entertaining and informative. I'm also wishing a beautiful year ahead for all of you. Until next time, Nirmal signing off.